Well, hello friends. I bet you wonder what I've been doing with my day today. Well, as you can see, I was watering some little pots. They're still empty. That's the first step to putting seeds, is that you wet the soil that you're going to put seeds in. So I've got some seed starter and some coco coir in there, and I've given it a nice little water, and we're just going to let it set for a while. Maybe water it in the morning again before I put my seeds in to make for sure it's nice and moist. Well, friends, we have a couple of other chores we're going to do today and some things we're even going to look at. So come on, friends, let's get to it. First of all, friends, we're going to take a look at these. Looks like I might actually have some persimmons. I hope they all look better than this one, but I do have some persimmons. And the leaves are starting to change, so I hope they get done in time. Yeah. Give you a little look around. We're deep in corn country here. Yeah, lots of little corn silks around. Here's our white pumpkin. Guess what? I think we are almost ready. I'm going to show this to Quiet, and he'll let me know if it's time to harvest. I'm going to finish cutting these flowers off of my mint because we have enough mint in our life. And I'm going to finish clearing this space probably tomorrow or the next day. But I still have lots of mint. And look at those potatoes. Guess what? It's time for us to go look at our potatoes, friends. This is where we had potatoes, and this is where we've had potatoes. It's time for us to harvest. And it's also time for us to put more dirt around these. Got weeds growing out of the sides. Dandelion. Oh, look. Wow, we got lots of little ones here. This is the seed potato. Oh, here's another nice size one. Look at that. More teeny weeny ones. Well, I think that's all for this one. Let's check the next one. I don't know if we did so well with this one. Let's take, oh, look at that. More. We're doing pretty good here. Little ones. Another little one. Wow, got a lot of little ones. Some more little ones. Oh, look at that. Oops, sorry, a little tater. I should have brought a brown bag out here. I'll probably just kind of dust them off a little bit and then just leave them in a brown bag for a week or two. And I think we are good. Soil's still nice and moist. There's another little one. Another little one. Wow. And a rock. So funny. Well, let's lay these out and let's see what we got. Here we go. Looking them over, we look good. Oh, look, here's one of the little purple ones. How cute. Well, I'm just going to let the soil kind of dry there. And then I'm going to, like I said, I'm just going to dust them off with my hand and put them in a bag. Here we go with these potatoes. I took that bag out. I mean, not the bag, but the that bottle out of there. This is from the bag here. Organic, natural, Dr. Earth. So what do you think, friends? I had to cut a lot out because, yeah, I think we're looking good. I'll let Quiet do the deciding. But I think that's covered enough. Look what I found while I was cleaning up the green beans. We had a little pumpkin hiding in there. Another little white pumpkin, so I do have two, even though this one is tiny. It's tiny. And it's almost ripe too. It might actually be ripe. Quiet will have to tell me, but I think we're almost there. And Nightfall strawberries. Well, friends, that's all I have for today. I might do a short of the seeds that I'm going to be putting in there in the pots, but I want to make for sure the soil is wet to start out with. And my friend has been telling me that some of these guys don't like wet, so once you plant them, keep them dry. I will have to sort that out as well later on. So friends, that's all I have for today. It's getting dark out here, and I need to go in and get a bag for my potatoes and put them somewhere where they can kind of cure. That's what it's called when you let them kind of sit a little bit. They get really nice and sweet when you do that. So, yeah. So that's all I have for today, my friends. It's time for me to say bye. So bye-bye. Bye.